welcome to Garbage Car Garage. So on today's video we're gonna do one thing that I wanted to do a long time ago, but I had a lot of stuff to do before that. So as I moved my battery down to the back of the car, I have now plenty space here for for this one. It's a pot filter, and it's not for performance but for a good sound. And I love sound when the throttle body sucks air, and this pot filter don't block that sound. So basically that's why I'm doing it. And every project car should have one thing like this, I think. And the problem for that is this engine has a MAF sensor, and it's bolted not into the part that I can reuse. It's in the part that I'm gonna throw away. So I'm gonna need to make this thing right on the new setup. So let's see. So I have this silicone arm to make the air intake here. It's easy. And I bought a stainless steel tube for extending, because I need to extend that piece there. But I don't have a welder, and I somehow need to make that MAF sensor work. So I just epoxied some 3 layers of the same tube, and I'm gonna grind this flat and make a hole in it for a MAF sensor. I hope that those 2 bolts will have enough meat here to screw here in. And I'm doing this because I don't want to make this I want to keep it flat here inside the pipe. So let's grind this. Oh, this setup went very to Garbage Garage. So yeah, look at this. This sits pretty straight here. Yep. My pipe sits a little bit off, but that's enough for me. And how I'm gonna grind this very straight, I marked center here and center there, and I have a the center line that I took from the grinding wheel. So I'm gonna center it like here, so, and there, yeah, like that. I'm gonna push it right here, and yeah, hope everything goes well. So the thing is on. Had to go to square one about this, manifold airflow, mass airflow sensor housing, because the one that I had with those metal plates, went horribly wrong, because the epoxy glue can't stand the heat. So yeah, it went out. I took this plastic thing. It's kind of soft, used for advertising and stuff. So heat it up and got it around the pipe. It's not pretty, but I have a plan. I'll leave that and leave this one for later, like everything else here, because everything is like proper Garbage Car Garage style. It's zip ties all over, but Don't have any, vacuum hoses, so I'll, refigure this in a different way. But let me tell you how everything went. So yeah, clamp that like 90 degrees arm here, clamp that pipe there, and as I told, I made a like the hole for this. So basically this one now sits very good. I made gasket maker inside of that, so no air will come in from here, or from there. Everything is sealed. Just it doesn't look good. Yeah, that's a normal thing, and for now I just hang that for this pipe here, but it's temporarily because I'm gonna need to heat shield this pot filter. So still things to come. For this time is pretty good. We can turn the thing on. It's dark already. Yes, it runs good. I already heated up, so the sound I wanted. So project happily done. See you next time.